to my YouTube channel Renaissance World. Our quality of interactions with soul in one birth will carry forward to the next birth when we meet them. When we understand that people's behavior to us today is a carry forward of our last meeting, it becomes easy to accept. Every next meeting will get more complex till in one of the meetings, one of the two souls chooses to respond in a different way and change the quality of karmic account. Do not look at other person's negative karma and respond in the same manner to them. My karma is writing my destiny. God does not punish us for our sins. Whatever happens is only a consequence of what we have done. God forgive us means He is not judgmental about our mistakes. His love and acceptance is unconditional. God's role is to give us the knowledge of right karma and power to implement it. When situations come to us as the consequences of our past karmas, God gives us the knowledge and power to face it. Purification means transformation of the sanskar so that it does not come into action again, so that we can save us from our karmas. Karma is not only what we speak and do. Karma begins with our thoughts and feelings because that is the energy which radiates out even before our words and actions. Our thoughts, our words and action need to be in harmony. This is the integrity and honesty. If something we say will hurt the other person, then even thinking about it will send them the negative vibrations. What cannot be said should not be thought either. Convert to positive at the level of thoughts, not words. We have the knowledge that I am a soul. Love and acceptance is my nature. When we come into action, we need power to implement this knowledge into practical. To bring out a transformation, we need a combination of knowledge and meditation. Knowledge is nutrition for the soul and meditation is exercise. The soul is like a battery which is discharged because of the wounds and pain created in many births. God is powerhouse. Meditation is the soul connecting to the powerhouse. We first need to know God, then experience a relation with Him, then faith in Him will become natural. We have faith in saints, spiritual master and parents, and they ask us to have faith in God. Because we have faith in them, we agree to have faith in God without experiencing it ourselves. Parents, saints give us love and compassion, but when something goes wrong or we make a mistake, they can be judgmental, get hurt or angry, and at the same time, love gets replaced with negative energy. God is the only being who can give unconditional love. Even for our mistakes, He is with us. When rituals were started, they were understood by society at the time and implemented for internal purification. But after thousands of years, now we have become body conscious. We are performing the rituals without sometimes understanding the essence or implementing it. The intention behind performing the ritual needs to be self-transformation and empowerment. Today we are performing rituals out of fear that life should be smooth. The mantras and prayer we say are very high energy words which help to keep the silent mind. The silent mind then connects to God and builds a relationship. Our quality of interactions with soul in one birth